behold his face in the beauty of nature. Just me and nature. Hearing the wind praise him, hearing the waters sing his praise. Just enjoy him. That's when you will know that there is noise in your soul all along. There is noise. You cannot even hear him. There's too much noise inside this realm. There's noise. Give me you. Everything else must wait. Give me you. I hope I'm not too late. Lord, give me you. Everything else can wait. Give me you. Is this your cry? I hope it's not too late for me to seek in